Hey everyone, Chef Andrew here from North Coast Seafoods. Today, we make bacon wrapped scallops. While I believe scallops are nearly perfect on their own, the natural sweetness of this sea candy paired with the smoky, salty flavor of bacon makes for an appetizer that will delight scallop lovers and bacon lovers alike. So let's give this a shot. Show me the bacon! For best results, be sure to look for dry sea scallops in your store, which means there are no chemicals and no added water. I like to use a larger scallop if possible. Coat a sheet pan with non-stick cooking spray and arrange the bacon on the pan in a single layer. I like using center-cut bacon because it's a little bit shorter in length. Do not use thick-cut bacon for this dish. Add a sprinkle of water to the pan to ensure the bacon remains moist and wrappable. Bake at 325 degrees for 5 to 8 minutes until the bacon is cooked, but not browned. Here's another trick. Soak your toothpicks in water to ensure that they don't get burned in your air fryer or the oven. Here are our beautiful sea scallops. After patting dry with a paper towel, we're going to gently peel this small muscle called the adductor muscles from the side of each scallop. It should come off very easy. These are fine to eat, just a bit of a tougher texture, so we remove them. Discard these after peeling away. Season the scallop with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Mix up your seasoned scallops on the plate to ensure even coverage. Wrap a slice of your pre-cooked bacon around each scallop and skewer with a toothpick through the middle. Repeat with the remaining scallops. A pair of gloves makes for easier, cleaner, and safer work in the kitchen. The thinner cut of bacon is important here to ensuring these get nice and crispy. A thicker slice of bacon would not work well at all. Rollin', 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 keep them scallops rollin'. Say hello to my little friend. Time to dust off your air fryer. Load the scallops into the tray or onto a baking sheet in a single layer. Let's make our citrus barbecue glaze. Heat a small sauce pot over low to medium heat. Add the orange juice concentrate, chili sauce, brown sugar, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Whisk everything together well and keep it at a low, steady simmer until it thickens into a glaze. This should take about 10 minutes. The sauce should have a syrupy consistency. You can refrigerate any extra glaze for future use. I use this sauce all summer long on pretty much anything. And wowza! Will you look at these? The anticipation is killing me. Remove the scallops and allow them to cool for 2 minutes. Transfer them to a serving plate of your choosing, sprinkle with some fresh chopped chives, and drizzle with your citrus barbecue glaze. Serve with an additional glaze on the side and enjoy. The aroma of this dish alone will bring your friends and neighbors knocking at your door, so I suggest making extra.